5 simple yoga exercises to reduce belly fat. Number 1 is boat pose. Sit down on a mat and stretch out your legs. Your knees should be pulled up, thighs should be tight, and your toes should be pointed out. Now attempt to lift your feet off the ground plus carry your legs to a 45-degree angle. Breathe in while you lift your feet and evade winding your knees. The backbone ought to be straight plus your body is supposed to make a V shape. Lift your arms to the shoulder height. Number 2 is donkey kicks yoga. Begin in downward dog, curve your knees little to the ground plus then jump your legs up, finally trying to load your knees above your hips. You will experience you are preparing to hop into handstand. Number 3 is yoga Locust pose. Recline face down by your palms opposite the ground. When inhaling, you must lift your legs up without twisting your knees. Your upper torso and hands must also be lifted up, giving you a stretch of the abdominal muscles. Poise yourself on the belly. This pose is very beneficial to reduce the abdominal fat. Number 4 is Cobra Pose. Start by lying on your front, your arms resting at the side of you. Now stiffen your marrow as you tense up your abdomen and start lifting your shoulder waist up. You can use your palm and elbows as a support as you tilt your head, creating a slight dent on your marrow. Remain in this posture for about 30 seconds. Repeat twice. Number 5 yoga wheel pose. Lie down on your back, curve your knees. Your feet must stay on the floor and keep closer to the buttocks. Set your hands on the earth. The palms must be straight and hips and shoulder. At present, raise your head and shoulder and then raise your hips from the ground plus poise yourself on your hands plus feet. You can try to attempt to raise one leg in the air for 20 seconds. You must repeat the same by the other leg. Try this yoga for abdomen fat loss.